G'day everyone, it's Hartley here from the team at Sitemate. Excited to be able to announce today that we have released a contactless scan and sign option for various types of site documentation. This video is a quick introduction as to why this was released and also a short demonstration into how it works. If your existing sign-on process looks anything like this, which could relate to pre-starts, toolbox talks, method statements, permits, job safety cards, and the like, it's obviously not an ideal situation to be in the current climate around COVID, where you've got multiple people physically touching the same document. So we've been working hard in the last 4 to 6 weeks to fast-track a new set of functionality with our tool Dashpivot, which enables you to fix this problem and provide a contactless option for your sites, and not only your own staff, but an easy way for external parties to also engage in a cost-effective way. To show you quickly how it's going to work, our existing tool Dashpivot has received an upgrade where there's a new table type available, and this will enable a QR coding camera, and it will also automatically create the sign-on table, which will look and feel very similar to the paper copy that you have at the moment, but it will also automatically capture some information such as the date, time, and GPS location, so that you can actually verify attendance on site. The second layer will be the Sitemate ID layer, and this is a new layer that we've recently introduced, which allows anyone who's working on your sites or visiting your sites to be able to quickly generate an ID card in less than a minute, and they can reuse that as many times as they need to on any of your site processes. As I said before, this can be used repeatedly on swims, pre-starts, toolbox talks, permits, any of these processes that you have. So to show you quickly how it's going to work, I've got a demonstration account open with our tool Dashpivot. It's very simple to update any of your existing templates. So I'm just going to select this pre-start template as an example. I scroll to the bottom, which is usually where you would have the sign-on process, and I've simply enabled the new table type, which is the scan on table. This is then updated through to the mobile or the tablet device. As we can see here, I've got my tablet in front of me, and I simply go through, select, for example, the pre-start template. I go in, I can create a new pre-start. Obviously, I need to go through and actually do the pre-start, but I won't do that now to save time. I go through the checklist, and then at the bottom, we have the scan on option, and I'm going to scan myself on. And obviously, once you've got multiple people, you can do that. And what it will do is create the scan on table, as you can see here, tracking the date, time, GPS location, as well as, of course, my details as the individual. So that's a short demonstration in terms of how the new scan and sign functionality works. Please get in touch if you've got any questions or would like to know more about how you could potentially use this on your sites and take up the offer that I mentioned in the post. Cheers.